Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hello for another video. Today is going to be a weird one. This is one my wife does not agree with me doing. She's like, why do you want to do that? I said, because I'm a nutball. I'm insane. I like to do crazy, nutty things. So we all know the classic yellow happy face, classic yellow smiley face. I thought I'm going to try to do that and then drag it to make it look absolutely insane. So I've got a bunch of yellow mixed here. And then some black, and I put a little bit of silicone in the yellow and mixed it, and then sprayed a little bit on top too. So I'm not sure if I should just pour the whole thing yellow and then put the black dots on it, or put the black dots on it and then pour the yellow around it. I think I'm gonna pour all the yellow on there and then do the black dots on top. Yep. All right, so here we go. That is a lot of yellow. So we'll get this all smoothed out before I start going on to the sides. I'm not sure. Oh man, that's a lot. You know what? I wonder if I can save some of this and do it for a little side project or something. Let's get a little bit of this off this cup here. Yeah. That's better. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put the picture on the thumbnail there so you already know what it looks like, or wait till the end here. I don't know. Probably put it on the thumbnail so you probably already know what it looks like anyways. Oh, man, that is a lot more yellow than I thought I was going to need. Shoot. Okay. I don't want too much on there, and then although I know the black's going to be completely dominant, so maybe it is a good thing to have one on there. I don't know. I don't know, my friends. This is just fly by the seat of my pants here. Fly all night, do. Rush? Any Rush fans out there? Any Rush fans? All right. Living in the night. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll shut up. Yeah, okay, that's fairly smooth. And like I said, I'm gonna swipe it anyway, so who cares? Okay, and we've got our black, which has got Floetrol already mixed into it. Oh, no! Ah. Well, my friends, that is the way it goes sometimes, isn't it? I forgot about that. Let's get a little more yellow there. Well, you know what? The black's going to be drawn through it anyway, so. Alright, so let me try to, let's see. There. Got to sort of eyeball this a little bit here. Right about there. That looks like SpongeBob. I can just leave it like that and call it SpongeBob. Alright, let's go. Okay, sorry about that. My video card was full on the camera, so I had to change that real quick. So I don't know how far the part got before. But I'm glad I looked up at the camera right before I was about to do my swipe, because then you would have missed the best part. I'm gonna take a little distilled water and spray it on the edge of the paper towel. And let's do this and see how insane this comes out. Oh, that's that's definitely lost its smile there, didn't it? Yeah. So I probably should have went really high with the smiley face, maybe their part, but yeah, I should have the smiley face further away from the eyes because now they're too close together. Yeah, that did not come out the way I wanted it to at all. So, that being said, I think I'm just going to dust the whole idea of a smiley face. Well, maybe should I just leave it like that? I'm not sure, you guys. I'm almost thinking to just maybe just go nuts with this and make it a completely different project. Oh shoot. Well. Forgot to wipe off my tool here before I did that. Yeah. Because that by itself is just like nothing. Yep. Alright, well, you know what I'm just going to do then? It did not come out all the way I want. I'm just going to do another swipe. I'm just going to do little dots all over the place and just make this a yellow and black thing. Should I use the same piece again? Probably not. But you know what? I'm going to do it anyways. Let's just go nuts here, because this did not come out all the way I wanted it to. So I'm just going to go nuts and see what happens. Alright, let's just, you know what, I'm going nuts on this thing because it did not come out the way I wanted. So let's just grab a couple of random colors here. Alright, we'll give this a nice little boop, boop, beep, 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 beep. Mixture there. And let's just see what happens here. Yeah, that swipe was just horrible. That swipe was horrible. Call this a smiley face fail or something. Maybe I can get a kind of cool border going on here, maybe. I don't know, should I just pour it all the way off? There's a little piece of something right there. Okay. I don't want to lose this purple over here, so I'm just going to keep my finger right there while I get that cover. There we go. And let's go this way. And sorry, I'm cutting you off on the camera there a little bit, sorry. Let's go back down this way. Stay in there, purple. Okay. Definitely gonna have to wash my hands after this one. I really like that, so I'm trying to sort of keep it in there and get this last little core over here. See, so you can get messy, but it's a good way to save so it doesn't fall off if there's anything on there that you like. And I really like that purple in there, so I'm gonna try to get this to go down a little bit. So wait a second. Okay. So, oh, what happened to my cup? Oh shoot. We got some cool stuff, little patterns there I was trying to save on the bottom, but I got the silicone mat. If you watch other videos, you already heard me say this, but I'm gonna let it dry. Pieces dry, peel them off, and make jewelry out of it. So I just want to make sure I got any little piece of white covered here. You know, hey, There are no mistakes, just happy accidents, as Bob Ross says, and that is so true. Yeah, looks like we got all that covered. All right, that looks good. I really love that. That's beautiful. I like that a lot. So, you know, I'm still happy with the ultimate end product here. You can probably see that pretty good from where you're at, huh? On the camera? Yeah, I think you can see that pretty good. So this was supposed to be a smiley face, and as you can see, that is why the title, I have now decided in my head, that's why the title of this video will be called Smiley Face Gone Wrong. And I'm glad you got to experience it with me, my friends. Yeah, some good cells and stuff. I mean, not a lot, little tiny ones, but still it's cool. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy with it. All right, we'll see you on the next one.